Today we are getting together here for celebration of National Science Day. So I request Principal Ma'am, please have a seat, ma'am, and all the staff members have a seat. Students, you also sit down. Now I will request to Mariam to take over the charge and anchor the program. Mariam.
प्राचार्य महोदय, पूज्य गुरुजनगण और मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, बड़े ही हर्ष का विषय है कि आज हम सभी यहाँ विज्ञान दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। तो मैं विद्यालय के विज्ञान विषय के शिक्षक कदम सर तथा भूमि मैडम से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे आदरणीय प्राचार्य मैडम का पुष्पगुच्छ देकर स्वागत करें। अब मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ कुमारी निधि यादव को कि वे मंच पर आए और
light in me and break it into colors for everyone to see. Thank you and have a nice day.
अब मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ कक्षा 10वीं के छात्र कुमार हर्ष दाविद को कि वह आए और विज्ञान दिवस के बारे में जानकारी दें।
Good morning, one and all. Today I want to tell you about the importance of science in our daily life. We can see the use of science in our daily life. Science is essential for our life. We cannot escape from science because it makes our life easier in some way. Science is based on facts and experiment, so it cannot change with time. It remains same. Science can explain all the questions through a magic performed by a magician to a car running by hydrogen gas. Technology is also based on science. Science and technology are complement each other. Science deal with new phenomena and facts to give rise new technology. Science promotes curiosity and asking questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.
See, everyone right, and that if you giving one statement, please research on that. Either it is fact or not. If it is fact, then only give a particular statement, or then only come. Any scientists do any research, what will they do? They will research the things. They will never jump to the conclusion. हमें भी टॉपिक है जिसमें हमें समझ नहीं आ रही है, तो उसको ऐसे सीधा जंप नहीं करना है conclusion. Because you try, but if you don't try, then nothing will happen, right? And something is better than nothing. Okay? So that particular reason for what if we say, know the reason. Yes, and okay, if we rank the bell. So if we rank the bell to activate all 7 chakras in our body, right? Are you all aware with the chakras of our body? One girl was studying theme for the celebration of science. Last year, the theme was Science Day was Women in Science, right? And yes, future of STI. मिडल एरिया होता है ना आईब्रो के बीच में, ठीक है, वहां पे अदन्य चक्र. इफ वी प्रेस दिस पॉइंट, व्हाट विल हैपन? आवर ब्रेन विल एक्टिवेट. ओके, एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट विल हेल्प टू सर्कुलेट द ब्लड टू आवर फेशियल मसल्स. दिस इज द साइंटिफिक लॉजिक बिहाइंड द तिलक. नाउ व्हाट एल्स आवर संस्कृति टेल्स अस? नमस्कार. व्हाई वी डू नमस्कार? Because whenever we do namaskar, the middle points of our hands gather with each other, right? Okay, so it will, whenever these middle points of our hands are connected with ear, eye and brain directly. So whenever we do namaskar, this posture, what will happen? It will help us to remind the other person or the person in your head. Do you know the reason behind that? The plates. It's not physics, chemistry or biology. Science means logic. So whenever you do anything in your life, always remember there should be a logic, a scientific logic behind that belief. Okay, thank you. Once again wish you a very happy Science Day.
अब हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र एवं छात्राएं एक्टिविटीज प्रस्तुत करेंगे. पहले एक्टिविटी प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं स्मित चौधरी एंड एकांश. टॉपिक इज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ H2 गैस, मैग्नीशियम रिबन बर्निंग.
The students are explaining Ekansh and Smith Chaudhary.
Hello.
Respected teachers and all my brothers and sisters, a very good morning to one and all present here. Before we start, I want to extend to perform an activity in front of you. This activity is to prove the liberation of hydrogen gas when we a pair of tongs, test tube holder, beaker, matchstick. So to perform this activity, firstly we need to take some amount of dilute hydrochloric acid in test tube. The test tube. Look that the pop sound tells the liberation of hydrogen gas, but be careful to handle the acids. keep your mouth away from the test tube while performing this activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning one and all. Today we are going to perform an activity of combination reaction. Combination reaction means when two or more substances react with each other to form a new substance is called combination reaction. This is a magnesium ribbon. Mixing the solution.
What is the result of that magnesium bonding? Magnesium oxide with H.
See, this is the combination reaction. And what happens in this? Magnesium is the one element, Mg, and it reacts with oxygen. That means it's burning with candle means it reacts with oxygen. Magnesium plus oxygen, they combine and forms a magnesium oxide, MgO2. Okay. Now this MgO2, when dissolved in water, what is going to be happen next? MgO2 plus H2O, it forms a magnesium hydroxide. That is the base. Now, how it is based? We have to identify by the litmus paper. Dissolve करो. First tell that which type of the litmus paper you have taken. आला दिखता है तो दूसरा पिकर ले लो ना. This is the red litmus paper.
Taking red litmus paper.
Last year we are grand success of these science activities. As already principal madam gave me the permission, and last year that is my first time, and this is my second time which is I am demonstrating such activities. Very small activities, but it is very interesting as well as it's whatever that it is a recreation also for you, because after a long time we came together and we are celebrating this first Science Day, after the lockdown. So, let me welcome our principal ma'am in this activity by showing one activity by a racket which is going up and welcoming in our activity. Much is over. That is racket. You are all welcome in our science activity. Now, one more activity which is already I want to demonstrate by the students, but it was not ready. It required at least 4-5 hours. And this is the one more activity which is from your class 10, chemical reaction. That is the displacement reaction. You are having all of you. You can come forward also. आगे बैठ सकते हैं तो आपको दिखाई देगा. In the displacement reaction, there is two important things are here. That is one compound and one element. One compound that is copper sulfate that I show you. This is in the form of crystal. अभी तक हमने देखा नहीं था. आपने देखा भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि कल ही सामान आया है और हमने तुरंत उसी का काम शुरू कर दिया है. ये copper sulfate है. This is the crystal granules, copper sulfate. Okay, this copper sulfate I dissolve in water. This copper sulfate I dissolve in water. It is now in blue color. Okay, It's blue color. It's also called as a blue vitriol. ये परीक्षा में आने वाले छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. What is the another name of copper sulfate? It is a blue vitriol. Already its color is blue. It is getting hint that it is a blue vitriol. Okay? And this blue vitriol because it is dissolved in water now. Copper sulfate. Now we have to make a displacement reaction. Do you know what is meant by displacement reaction? Anybody can tell me?
More reactive metal displaces less reactive metal.
Copper what?
More reactive element displaces less reactive element.
Exactly correct. More reactive metal will displace less reactive metal. Okay. And actually what is going on here? That only going on here in this displacement reaction. Here copper sulfate. First thing. Now what I done? Here inside I put one blade आता है दाढ़ी करने का. आप नेल डाल सकते हैं, खिला डाल सकते हैं, लोहे का कोई भी चीज, आयरन का कोई भी चीज इसमें डाल सकते हैं. मैंने इसके अंदर ब्लेड डाला हुआ है. ये कल से रिएक्शन डाला हुआ है. आपको इसके दोनों के बीच में थोड़ा कलरेशन में चेंज दिखता होगा. इज इट हैव सम चेंज इन बिटवीन टू कलर्स? है ना? सी इट इज लिटिल बिट ग्रीनिश इन कलर. या और ग्रीन होता क्योंकि मैंने ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं करवाया. ये ज्यादा ग्रीन हो जाता. इट इज अभी ये ग्रीन है. नाउ व्हाट हैपन हियर? टेंथ गर्ल्स, क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? ये ग्रीन क्यों हुआ? हिंदी में बोलो चलेगा. क्या हुआ? ये ग्रीन हो गया, क्यों हुआ? बोलो निधि बेटा. व्हाट हैपन हियर?
Iron displays.
Copper. Iron displaces copper. That means iron is more reactive than copper. So आयरन ने कॉपर को धक्का मार दिया, खुद सल्फेट के साथ ज्वाइन हो गया और कॉपर को अलग कर दिया. जो कॉपर है वो जो ब्लेड दिख रहा है ना उसके ऊपर जाके बैठ गया और उसमें का आयरन उसके अंदर मिक्स हुआ, इसलिए उसका कलर ग्रीन हुआ. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ ग्रीन विट्रियॉल. अनदर नेम ऑफ आयरन सल्फेट. समझ में आया? दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. वेरी नाइस एंड यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इन योर एग्जाम ऑल्सो वेरी नाइसली. डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. More reactive metal can displace less reactive metal. This is the displacement reaction. Okay? Thank you very much. Now next, we'll keep over there. Both are. Now we have to find out that what is the difference between these two water. How will we find out? I used this one. Let me see. Here is nothing happen. कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. देखते हैं इसमें कुछ होता है. ओह, पानी तो सेम है. ये बलून खड़ा हो गया. इसमें डाला, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ? इसमें डाला, थोड़ा पानी हमारा क्या हो गया? बहुत देर चला है.
Hot water and cold water.
Hot water and cold water. What is going to happen due to the hot water?
Because of hot water, air is concentration of air will be increases and in cold water concentrate of air is
Contract and relaxation. That is also what happens. That expands. Hot water expands and cold water contract. है ना? तो हॉट वाटर की वजह से एक्सपांड होती है और वो इसमें फुल भर जाती है और बलून फूलने लगता है. वही बलून को कोल्ड वाटर में डालते हैं तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती है, हवा निकल जाती है, सिकुड़ जाती है और बलून ढीला हो जाता है. सिंपल एक्टिविटी है बट वी हैव टू. दैट इज 7th क्लास की एक्टिविटी. आपने 7th क्लास के टेक्स्ट बुक में ऐसा देखा होगा और ऐसा भी देखा होगा. ओके, वेरी सिंपल एक्टिविटी. पानी डाल के इस एक्टिविटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस देखो मैं इसको इसमें रख रहा हूं. कहां जा रहा है पता नहीं. छोटा छोटा होती है. गायब कर दिया मैंने आपके सामने इसको. देखो चला गया. इतना बड़ा था. देखो आया ना बोलो। What happened here? I took here petrol. And this alcohol is also made up of the hydrocarbons. And these hydrocarbons dissolves in petrol. अगर आपके पास गम नहीं है ना, फेविकॉल नहीं है ना, थोड़ा सा पेट्रोल ले लो, थोड़ा सा ये थर्मोकोल ले लो, फटाक से उसमें डिजॉल्व करो, चिपका दो, तुरंत चिपक जाएगा. दिस इज द इमरजेंसी गम. इसको अगर ऐसे करूंगा, ये गम बन गया. देखा? ये गम बन जाएगा. इमरजेंसी गम. ओके? गम की कमी नहीं है, लेकिन ये इमरजेंसी गम है. बोलना नहीं, ये सब एक्टिविटी सीख गया घर बैठ के, घर जाके करने लगा है. मैंने बोला घर पे नहीं करना कुछ भी, अकेला रहता है घर में. बस 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 बस. ये बलून और थोड़ा ये बलून है. अभी मैंने इसका प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया. लेट अस सी इज इट गोइंग टू बी बर्स्ट और नॉट. उठ गया. ये प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया था. तुरंत मारना. ठीक है. करके देखो. इसमें से ऐसा ले लो. ठीक होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा. ये जो कॉइन हम यहाँ इसके ऊपर रख देते हैं, गिर जा रहा है. नहीं म्हणतात क्या मना. रुको. अभी हमारा अंकुश भाई क्या करता है? नहीं गिर रहा है. उसके ऊपर और एक रखो. नहीं गिर रहा है. अंकुश भाई ने जादू किया. वेरी गुड. नहीं गिर रहा है. क्यों? ये जो प्रेशर तैयार हुआ ना वाटर का, उसको होल्ड कर रहा है. समझ में? पहले खाली था, वैक्यूम था. वाटर का प्रेशर क्रिएट हुआ, इट्स होल्ड्स पेपर. इसके ऊपर इस साइड से वजन डाला, गिरा है. वेरी गुड. अंकुश भाई भी जादू. दैट इज IIT Gandhinagar गोइंग ऑन इन एवरी संडे. Madam is sending his letter. If you are seeing 4 to 5 o'clock, very nicely they are showing the different types of the activity. Only one subject they are taking on, one subject they are carrying for 1 hour. Last Sunday they are taken about on the candle. कैंडल के ऊपर बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज दिखाई उन्होंने. उसमें से सिंपल एक एक्टिविटी मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूं बच्चों. कैंडल जब जलती है, व्हाट एक्चुअली बर्न? वैक्स जलता है, विक जलती है, क्या होता है? तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है. कैंडल अपने आप जलती है. कैसे होता होगा? कैंडल जला, कैंडल जला. क्या जलती है? कैंडल के पास वैक्स है, उसके कॉटन की वीक है, तो क्या जलता है? कॉटन जलता है. किसको लगता है कॉटन जलता है? आपको क्या लगता है क्या जलता होगा? कॉटन ही जलता है. यानी कि आपको सभी को लगता है कि जब कैंडल जलती है तो कॉटन जलता है. बट आई विल शो यू, कैंडल जलती है तो कॉटन नहीं जलता है. कैसे नहीं जलता है? दैट विल बी सी. दूसरा कैंडल था ना, इधर हवा है, इसलिए भी बड़ा मुश्किल देखते हैं. रजिस्टर आहे पकडली पाचट, रजिस्टर आहे पाचट पकड़. हवा से ये क्या हो रहा है? बहुत हवा है. ओके, नाउ आई विल शो विच इज नॉट गोइंग टू बिकम. कैसे? देखो मैंने अभी इस हैंडल को बुझा दिया है. देखो फिर से पकड़ लिया उसने. मैंने तो विक के पास लेके नहीं गया, कॉटन के पास लेके नहीं गया. देखो हवा की वजह से इसका मतलब वीक भी नहीं जलती है, वैक्स भी नहीं जलता है। वैक्स जब मेल्ट होता है, उसका इवापोरेशन होता है, वो इवापोरेटेड वैक्स बर्न होता है। इसीलिए हम सोचते हैं कि इसकी बाती जल रही है, इसका वैक्स जल रहा है। वैक्स मेल्ट होगा, वो इवापोरेट होगा, इवापोरेटेड वैक्स जलता है। ये भी कभी भी क्वेश्चन आईएएस की परीक्षा में पूछा जाता है। ज्योतानिक ऐसा एक प्रोग्राम था, वो स्टेम का 30 स्टेम का, उसको मैंने देखा और उसके अंदर मैं देखा। उसी में से एक चीज मैंने सीखी, आपने देखा होगा टोमेटो, पोटैटो, शिमला मिर्च, ये सारी चीजें आपको कौन प्रोवाइड, इंसेक्ट्स कौन प्रोवाइड करता है आपको ये सारी चीजें? हमें लगता है पोटैटो, शिमला मिर्च, टमाटर, ये जो फ्रूट्स है, ये जो सब्जियां है, ये हमें कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? हम बोलते सब्जी वाला, फार्मर, प्लांट से मिलता है। बट दिस ऑल आंसर्स आर रॉन्ग। मैंने ऑप्शन भी दिया था, इंसेक्ट्स, bees, different types of the bees, how they work? अगर वो पॉलिनेशन ही नहीं करेंगे तो आपको पोटैटो, टमाटो कहां से मिलेगा? उसका फर्टिलाइजेशन ही नहीं होगा तो कहां से पोटैटो, टमाटो बनेगा? फार्मर भी नहीं बना पाएगा, प्लांट भी नहीं बना पाएगा, वाटर भी नहीं बना पाएगा, सब्जी वाला भी नहीं ला पाएगा, है ना? पॉलिनेशन, यू स्टडीड नो पॉलिनेशन? पौधा फूल तक पहुंचेगा, फूल को पोलन ग्रेन्स जाएंगे, वो इंसेक्ट इधर से इधर लेके जाएंगे तो ही फूल का फल बने। एक्टिविटीज के लिए कुछ कह रहा हूं। बाय बाय, बाय बाय, वेरी नाइस। Kadam sir, your activities are very nice. You didn't say, but my activity is telling me that. Thank you very much, everybody. Smiley face. Bye bye. Okay. आपने सभी ने बहुत बड़ा समय दिया मेरी एक्टिविटी देखने के लिए, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अरे सर, मैजिशियन कदम सर, थैंक यू। मैं मेरे लिए ट्रैक करता हूँ, मैम जैसे बोली वैसे। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। अभी की एक्टिविटी के लिए मैं प्रिंसिपल मैम को स्टेज पर आमंत्रित करूंगा और मेरी एक्टिविटी और मेरे बच्चों ने जो भी एक्टिविटी की उसके लिए गाइडेंस करेंगी प्रिंसिपल मैम।
The Science Day celebration of today has taken all of us near about 1 hour 15 minutes to be. What is science? Same question I asked last year. Science is a truth. That is why it can be experimented and felt. It is a truth, a vibrant truth. You can feel and you can sense. So what is science? Science is a truth to experiment, isn't it? Anyone can demonstrate it, you can experiment it, you can have your own right and wrong, you can feel it. That is why it is the truth. What is technology? Same questions I am repeating. What is technology? It is a tool for development. What is it? See, what is this? It's a technological development. Even if without a high volume, if we speak like also, it reaches everyone. So what? Plus and minus is added everywhere in the nature, everywhere in the technology. It is up to our sense and brain. If we use it in the right way, it will give a more result. We can enjoy the fruits of science. The same thing, if we are picking on the negative phase of science, like atom bomb for destruction, it will destruct all of us, the whole world. Okay? And I'm really very happy that if you tell about magnesium oxide, cupric acid, oxygen, H2O, these are all little bit difficult, those who are not interested in science. But today, Ms. Bhumi has really demonstrated what is a daily, very simple, effectively she told. What is the effect you put to the right over there? Once we smile, how many muscles are working? Some thousands of, that is what I learned. There are thousands of muscles working if we smile, and laugh means more. But at the same time, if you are very serious, all our muscles and veins will shrink, will become hard. A smile can have a very, very positive effect in our body. It can send positive radiation throughout our body. That is why nowadays laughing club, laughing hour, happiness hour is going on. Because in the run of making a life wealth, we forget about smile, laugh, health. Money is everything for us. But at the same time, once we are at the bed, making millions and crores at the bank balance, we don't have life to enjoy it. Okay? So science too much related to our health and happiness. But this equation, then what makes the planets rotate? Geophysics. Tell me. Somebody is running, Brahma is running. No answer. Very simple, it is mutual attraction. Okay. Attraction is the power, a vibration which is taking between the two bodies. If it is positive, it will become creative. If it is negative, it will deteriorate. It is happening between us, husband and wife, mother and child, teacher unto the student, lovers especially, a positive vibration. So this attraction is very, 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 very powerful than anything. We have seen the demonstration, the correct daily, very, very simple thing, very, very simple thing. See, that was I also add, if it is standing straight, there is no coordination about our 5 fingers. Study it once you are alone. Is it there matching? No. Are they matching? No. Huh? One is short, one is long, one is thin, isn't it? But you bend it. Bend it and see. You bend your fingers. How does it look? Equal. Equal in length. It also has a philosophy in our life. If you want to have such a peace of mind, little bit bend in a positive manner. Whatever, we are all different, you are different, I am different, sir is different, all audience are different. But for a common cause, I'm going to pick up this mic. If I have the straight fingers, I never can pick up the phone. Anyone? No, no one can pick up the phone. Everybody, each finger is steady, but I bend it a little bit, synchronize, I can very well pick up. This is a very, very simple science and philosophy. Okay? So take it in the right manner. You are all going to be future scientists, future engineers, future architects. But what is the real essence of science? Have a correct meaning, correct sense, right from school day itself. Okay? So, I give a very, very warm greetings for this great science day. See, we are all upcoming, JNV Valsad is an upcoming school. So, but our efforts and goal is very great. Let us join together, wish ourselves as well as in this corona pandemic 19, the science has got lot of effect. Use the science positively only for your welfare and mankind, all the good things. Okay? Okay? That's what I think. Nothing exists in the nature with only good things, not even me or anybody else. All are mixed up of positive and negative. It is our scientific sense and artistic value. Pick up the right things from everything, promote it, go on. Forget about the negative things, it will get destroyed. Okay? I'm not getting long. I have great wishes and greetings for all my JNV Valsad community. Especially, I'm very happy that any small instruction is given, it has taken up rightly and it is broadcasted. So that is why whenever I am getting any good videos, any connections, I am immediately sharing with the concerned teachers. If it is library, if it is science, if it is language, if it is math, you know that. Because everything cannot be taught then and there. Now technology is very, very advanced. Once the link is given, you can join and you can have your own time, learn the good things, practice and broadcast. We must always broadcast the good things. Okay? For our happy and good survival. Most of the schools have very, as I was promoting Kadam sir, that there are many scientific stalls. I still remember my old schools where I already shared with you 20 stalls are there. It is very big. That day we will become a kid. Science can make up enthusiasm and experience. We will become, forget about all our worries and we will become a kid and enjoy. So different stalls are there, just like in an exhibition ground. We will also make it as a pace-setting activity. We will invite everyone. Children will enjoy. Even prize be there next day. Teachers, children, outsiders, everything. Okay? So I submit this great day to the great scientist and human lover, Dr. C.V. Raman. It is called Raman's effect. What about the days of his gap? How many years have passed? But Raman's effect is still with us. Okay? That is the thing. You live for legendaries, they are called. You live for 20 days, 20 years or whatever. If you can create a signature, if you can create an effect on someone, even if our mortal forms are destroyed, our effect will be effect. So that is a great lesson we must learn from Dr. C.V. Raman. Not only we are proud that Raman's effect is throughout the world. It definitely, my dear most children, have a happy, scientific, beautiful day today. Thank you, one and all.